being carpenters today. You guys just saw Kylie carrying some wood out. We got some, all this is just some scrap wood right now that we've got. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a table together. It's going to be like like a picnic tabletop basically. And what we're going to do with it is I'm going to use it as a shooting table. I had a couple old picnic tables laying around here and we used to use them, but they were never the correct height and they were never they always had a bench on them. And what I want is a table that sits about this high that I can sit in a chair similar to what I'm sitting in now and I can shoot off of. We've been kind of collecting a few rifles and some handguns and stuff over the last couple of years, and I'd like to get a few of them out and shoot them for you again. But I kind of need a table to rest things on and to fill magazines with and such like that. So we got these 2 6s right here. Like I say, they're old deck boards is what they are that we saved off of an old deck from years ago, and we're just about out of them really. I mean, we built feeders out of them and all that. They were on a burn pile and my dad and I rescued them off a burn pile. And we're just about out of them. I think these are the last 3 pretty good ones we got. And I'm thinking we're gonna make this table, it's gonna be about 6 foot long. Not gonna be anything real wide, and these boards, they're longer than 12 footers right here, so I think we can get 2 of them. I think we can get 2 6 footers out of each one of these. So what I did was I came down here on this end, and we're gonna cut the ends off right here where the old screws and the nails went through. Took my carpenter square and pen and just kind of squared the ends up on them, so we're gonna do that. Sounds like we're having a hurricane outside.
Mm-hmm. Where's 6 foot?
Right here.
Looks short.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we better do 8. Guess we changed our mind, we're going with 8. Eight it is. Just we have to get a couple boards we will. Come here, I'm gonna hold this.
you want the one that's white?
Not really. Yeah, because I want to visually see it. Thirty-two and a half.
How many are you gonna put? Just 3?
I figure we'll put one on each end first,
Oh.
just to hold it together, and then we'll go from there, I think. Probably end up being at least 3, but then we'll have to put the legs on and all that. I don't want the legs clear out of front.
Good. Huh?
Yeah. Cool.
Jeez.
Thing about these old boards, some of them are hard and some of them are soft in places.
Another one?
Well, I'm just wondering if we should put one in the middle.
There's quite a bit of room on this side.
Okay, that's fine.
What do I do?
I want to here take this down there and measure it 45.
45?
Yeah.
Oh, to the.
Okay.
Yeah,
Screw it down.
sorry.
Screw her down. It'll be fine.
This in?
Yeah.
Where?
Just right in the middle. Well, yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. and got some 4x4s and such like that. It didn't have any. The wood was terrible at Lowe's in Springfield. And you'd think with 6 people standing around, they would have helped Corky and I get a few 4x4s, but they didn't. So I was kind of disappointed in the Lowe's. But they did end up having what I wanted. I wanted these post bolt down things. And what we're going to do is we're going to use those to hold the legs. So what I've kind of come up with, I want to be able to kind of sit all the way around this table, because if I put one of my big guns on here, I want to be able to shoot off the end of the table and stuff like that. I may even want to sit on this table. So we're kind of just, it's going to be pretty heavy duty anyway, especially when we get the legs on here and I get the legs made the way we want it and supported the way we want it. So it should hold up to about anything that I put it through. By the way, this is the next day. We did get the top done last night, and then I was ready to quit on it. So what we're doing is we're going to get this basically about where I want it. Now I have measured in, and like I say, I want to be able to sit at the end and not have the legs clear at the end. But I have moved them in. I think we're going to put the legs in 16 inches. The center of the leg will be in 16 inches from the edge of the table. And we're going to do that all the way around. And then the center of the leg, again, going in from the outside, is going to be about 7 inches to the center. And also remember, we're farmers, we are not carpenters, so if you see something I'm not doing right, sorry. I think we'll be fine.
I'm not worried about it.
It's fine. You're part of that.
Okay. Straight down?
Yep. See if anything lines up.
Hopefully. Okay.
Okay, that one's going to be gone. We'll measure this and over here.
Okay, what do you want to do? This way?
Either way, I don't care.
Okay.
Right back here.
Okay. Woo, there we go. Yours are probably way tighter than mine.
Okay. Got 2 of them done. Alright, we are going to make these legs 30 inches. I'm actually going by what my desk is over there, and it's actually a little bit too tall for me. So we're going to start out with 30 inches on here. The only bad thing is we don't have a good way to cut these 4x. Go get the loader.
Yeah, it seems pretty secure. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just gonna kind of like sit it in your lap.
I was gonna say, I just set it up. I'm gonna hold these legs.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try to.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It's not gonna hurt the legs.
No. Freaking heavy.
I can't do it.
However you wanna do it, fine.
Good, Herman. That's it. That's it. Good. Thanks. Good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh yeah, looks good.
Well, I believe that's where we're going in it for here. We're gonna do the same thing down there on the other end. And then we're also gonna take one of those 4x4s and we're gonna come about halfway down in the legs and we're gonna put one through the center also. The reason we're gonna do that is so I have a place to put my foot to balance myself. Once we get the place made, we're gonna set this thing and we shoot off of it. It's gonna be pretty nice, I think. So, what do you think?
I think it's gonna be nice.
I think it's gonna be great.
I'm excited.
Turned in to be a little bit more than what I thought it was gonna be, but that's all right. At least it's gonna be a good table we can use and it ain't gonna fall over. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Had a lot of people shout me out. If you guys see a video of someone shouting me out or something like that, let me know in the comments, because I don't get to see a lot of videos and I know a lot of people shout me out and stuff. I want to know who does it just because I appreciate it. I mean, I really appreciate it a lot, and I'd like to be able to go and I'd like to be able to go and support their channel. So if you guys see somebody shouting me out, leave in the comments who it was in their video and stuff like that, so I can go back and I can watch that video and I can support their channel, because I've had a lot of help with this YouTube since we've been doing this, and I want to be able to go back and I want to be able to help all the people that are supporting my channel. So I really appreciate it if you do that, and I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch our videos. So thanks for watching, guys.